Welcome back. Moving on, let's catch up with the top trends on Facebook and Twitter and what were the celebrities talking about across the globe. From the Himachal tragedy, the Karachi terror attack and the Delhi power crisis to the FIFA fever, Infosys change of CEO and the UPSC results. This week saw a mix of good and bad news. Here's a look at what made it to the top trends.
Hashtags UPSC and Gaurav Agarwal were trending on Facebook after the results of the Civil Service Examination 2013 was declared. A total number of 1,122 candidates have been selected and an IITian, Gaurav Agarwal, has topped the exam. With Delhiites bearing the brunt of the peak summer season, power crisis was not just the talking point on news channels but on social media as well. Hashtags power crisis and no electricity trended on Twitter. The tragedy that struck in a matter of minutes as 24 students being washed away in the Beas River in Himachal Pradesh was among the top trending topics this week, with anxious citizens tweeting updates of the accident with each passing hour. Hashtags Himachal, Himachal tragedy, Beas tragedy trended on Twitter. As news of a terror attack in Pakistan spread across Twitter, hashtags Karachi Airport, Karachi and Karachi Airport attack began trending. Peoples condemned the act, with one Mehreen tweeting that this shows a tactical shift in Taliban and its policy. The appointment of Vishal Sikka, the former Chief Technology Officer and Executive Board Member at enterprise software maker SAP, as the Infosys new CEO was among the top trends in Facebook. As this year's FIFA World Cup began, how could Twitter not be ruled by soccer mania? Hashtags FIFA World Cup, football fever and Messi were among the many trends relating to football this week. Many, like Matt, said he is against the tournament as it affected the lives of poor, whereas Gautam said that even though he is not a football fan, he wants to be in Brazil. If football was ruling the roost, our very own hockey wasn't far behind, with hashtags Hockey World Cup, Hockey and Hockey World Cup 2014 making the way to the top trends. Naveen Jindal congratulated Team India and Gomsi said that it is a high time we support a national game as much as we support other sports. Beat-on newbie Alia Bhatt was trending on Facebook as a song Samjhawa, sung by Arijit Singh and Shreya Ghoshal from her upcoming film Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania was released. This film featuring Alia with Varun Dhawan has created buzz in social media sites.
US spy agency CIA joins Twitter and Facebook, becoming an instant hit with social media, leading to online speculation over the move. Let's take a look.
In a matter of a week, the Central Intelligence Agency has attracted over 6.5 lakh followers on Twitter. CIA's first tweet, "We can neither confirm nor deny that this is a first tweet," was retweeted as many as 170,000 times the day they made their debut on the social networking platform. After 7 hours, the American spy agency tweeted again for the second time, thanking its followers. Answering all questions on intelligence matter, they tweeted they cannot comment on them, but people are free to follow the Twitter handle. People on Twitter appreciated the first tweet, with BBC World tweeting about the opening of the account with a joke. WikiLeaks also responded to CIA's tweet saying, "We look forward to sharing the great classified info about you." CIA also joined Facebook and gathered more than 7,300 likes by the end of the day it joined. Their opening statement said, "We are the nation's first line of defense. We accomplish what others cannot accomplish and go where others cannot go." CIA in a statement said that the launch of these accounts builds the agency's online presence beyond its public website, mobile site and official Flickr and YouTube accounts. CIA Director John Brennan said that by expanding to these platforms, they'll be able to engage with the public directly and tell them about CIA's mission, history and other developments. He further added that the move is aimed at adding more transparency and making unclassified information accessible to the public. In addition to posting news updates, statements and career information, the agency's social media updates will also feature artifacts and other information from the CIA's museum. They will also post updates and information about the agency's World Facebook, a unique public resource and educational tool, as well as unclassified intelligence histories and other informations.
Whether it's a social event or a world tour, our socially active celebs never forget to update their Facebook and Twitter handles. Here's what they shared with you via the social media.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted about how it is time to show the world India's strength and its skill. The post saw thousands of retweets and favorites. DD News post regarding the same was liked and shared by many. The Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi called on the Prime Minister this week. The official Facebook page of PM Narendra Modi sharing the picture received many likes. Twitter's COO Ali Raughani resigned from his post this week. His tweet bidding goodbye to the amazing ride was retweeted almost 500 times with more than 700 favorites. Actor Priyanka Chopra, Goodwill Ambassador of UNICEF, had an awesome time with young girls at an UNICEF event. The Desi girl shared this news with her Facebook fans and was liked and shared by many. Ian Somerhalder is going green this summer after he became the Goodwill Ambassador for UNEP. The fans welcomed this decision and wished luck to the Vampire Diaries star. FIFA World Cup is ruling social media, and who better than Cristiano Ronaldo to post a photo with fellow teammates. Ronaldo posted his picture with Pep and Raul Mendreles, and fans couldn't resist sharing it. Badminton player Saina Nehwal shared the news of her upcoming matches in the Indonesia Open, which will kick off in Jakarta next week. The news followed fans wishing her luck and Uday wishing her to return with flying colours. Stand-up comedian Kapil Sharma is sure going places, and this time the man is seen with none other than Dilip Kumar and Saira Bano. Kapil posted his picture with the two veterans, and the tweet saw several retweets and favorites. Singer-actor Justin Timberlake connects with his audience as he completes the European leg of his world tour in London. The Friends with Benefits star thanked everyone on his Facebook page. Yale sent him love from Israel as she said she just can't wait to see him again.
Well, in the limited time that we have, that was a small segment of the lot many things that did the rounds on social media.
But don't go anywhere, because coming up are the top 5 videos you loved and shared. And don't forget our special segment Let's Get Social and the interesting video we searched for you this week.